This is just absolutely unreal. This house floated off of its foundation. This is a road. This road stops with this house and no more road. Completely washed away, gone. This house leveled, and what's absolutely insane is you come over here and you think, what is this? Why is there a field right here? That's not a field. This was their driveway. This is the driveway into the house that's no longer there, and it's slid over there. That might be this house, that yellow one, or this house could be that one. So that house slid from this point down to that point. Generally, the reason why this happens is because the foundation sill plate is attached to the concrete structure foundation with cut nails. In this case, though, it looks like the foundation actually was completely destroyed, ripped in half. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. This is just unreal.